Welcome to the math review. This question says, what is the value of the expression below? And they give us this expression 4 to the second power, also called 4 squared minus 3 to the 0 power. So we have multiple operations here since we have an exponent and a subtraction sign. And another exponent here as well. And that means what we should use is the order of operations. So let's write it here. Now it's important to remember that even though there are 6 letters in the order of operations, there are only 4 steps. Let's use this here as a checklist to solve this problem. So the first letter here, P, stands for parentheses. So if there were any parentheses, we would do any work inside those parentheses. But since there aren't any parentheses, we can just check that off. E stands for exponents. So we have 2 exponents here. We've got 4 to the second power and 3 to the 0 power. Let's evaluate 4 to the second power first. So 4 to the second power has an exponent of 2 and a base of 4. Now that tells us how many times we're going to multiply this base by itself. So 4 to the second power in expanded form is equal to 4 times 4. And 4 times 4 equals 16. Therefore, 4 to the second power, also known as 4 squared, equals 16. So we'll write that here. Now we have to evaluate 3 to the 0 power. Now 3 to the 0 power is a very special case. Anything to the 0 power, so if I have 3 to the 0 power, it just evaluates to 1. I could have 10 to the 0 power, that would still be 1. I could have 20 to the 0 power, that would still equal 1. I could have 1,000,000 to the 0 power, and that would still equal 1. So here, underneath 3 to the 0 power, we'll just write 1. And then I'll bring down my subtraction sign. So, now we're done with the second step, which is to use or evaluate exponents. The third step in the order of operations is multiplication or division from left to right. But we're pretty lucky because we don't have any of that here, so we can just check that off as well. And our final step is addition or subtraction from left to right. And that's not too bad either because we only have 2 values here and we're just subtracting them. We've got 16 minus 1, which is equal to 15. Therefore, the value of this expression, 4 to the second power minus 3 to the 0 power, is equal to 15.
Thanks for watching our video on the math review. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We might use your question in our next video. And if you found this lesson helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And it would really help if you share this and our other videos to any of your social media platforms. See you next time on the Math Review.